Fruits and vegetables are covered by another layer that protects them and helps them grow. Today, fruit table designs has become a popular art. Chefs and food designers use fruit skins, peels, and rinds to create beautiful patterns and eye-catching decorations. Although many languages use just one word, in English these other layers have different names depending on how thick or tough they are. Let's break it down. Peel is the outer layer we usually remove before eating. It can be